Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I did this dustpan resin pour to look like a geode. So I mixed up some Artworks resin and poured it into separate cups containing different color pigments, which I will be mentioning at the end of this video. And I'm just going to pour them randomly into this dustpan until I feel that I have enough resin to cover my board. I realized halfway through doing this that I didn't really do it correctly. I should have been pouring the resin from the left and right sides instead of pouring it into little puddles and circles. But that's okay, just like any other art project I do, I always go into it not really having a plan and I just work with it until I'm happy. So we'll see what happens. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tip it over and pour the resin out slowly, trying to keep that design and go into like a C-shaped pattern. Now I'm just going to take some extra resin that I had left over in the cup and just make some more defined lines. Here I'm adding some purple glitter to go around the edge and in the center. And then I'm just going to add some white resin along the edge for that negative space. And I'm going to put a couple white stripes into this middle. And then as always, you get your heat torch and you just go quickly back and forth to pop any of those air bubbles. And then I forgot to video it, but I took some amethyst stones and put some in the center there and on that corner where I added the white. And I'm just going to take my silver glitter glue and just add some more embellishments to it. Now I'm just taking some silver paint and I'm painting the edge of the board so it looks finished. And then I mixed up some more Artworks resin and I did a flood coat for the top. And that's it. It's all done. Now I just have to let it dry. In case you were interested, these are the colors that I used for this project.